Not only is this a Sitz bath seat, it also comes with some extra herbs that you can use. So thank you so much to the company for gifting this to me so I could try it out and tell you my thoughts all about it. First off, I love the design of this Sitz bath seat. It is fully collapsible, which is great for storage, so it takes up less space. This is what it looks like when it's fully open. All you have to do to collapse it is push this in. And then this is what it looks like after it's fully collapsed. It does have a nice contoured design right here so that it's going to be really comfortable when you're sitting on it. I am really into self-care lately, and I really like that they included these herbs in the set. So what you do is you boil the water, then you put in about 1/4 of a package of the herbs. So that means the herbs in this bag will last for about 4 different sessions. You let the water cool down enough that it's really comfortable for you to use. You pour it in the Sitz bath, and then you lay a towel over yourself while you put the Sitz bath on the toilet. Then it steams, everything stays in that area. Sitz baths can be used for so many different things, from postpartum to hemorrhoids, or if you just want to feel a little bit more refreshed. The herbs smell really, really good. They contain big pieces of things like flowers, lavender, calendula, so there's a lot of really good things in here. If you've been looking for a Sitz bath, then I would definitely recommend getting this combination because the herbs definitely make a big difference.